Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Zikir Adam Permadi dari Prodi S1 Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris semester 5. Di sini saya ingin membuat sebuah resume video untuk MK-TESOL yang akan membahas tentang STL atau Student Team Learning. Understanding Student Team Learning, the core principle of STL, as described, is group success predicated on individual member achievement. This means the group thrives when each student within it understands the material and contributes. The emphasis is on shared understanding and mutual support, where students actively assist each other in learning. Strength and weakness of the STL model. The strength is promotes collaboration. STL inherently fosters teamwork. Students are not just passively receiving information, but actively engaged in helping their peers learn. Encourage peer teaching. Explaining concepts to others solidifies understanding. Students who teach their peers gain a deeper grasp of the material. The next is increases motivation. The independence of the group creates a sense of shared responsibility. Students are motivated to ensure not only their own success, but also the success of their teammates. The next is develop social skill. STL are provide opportunities for students to develop communication, leadership, and conflict resolution skills. The next addresses diverse learning style. Students can learn from each other approaches and explanation, catering to a wider range of learning style. The last is improve individually achievement. While focus on group success, STL ultimately lead to better individual understanding as students are actively engaged in the learning process. The weakness is the first potential for free riding. Some students might rely on others to carry the group, not contributing their fair share. This requires careful monitoring and strategies to ensure equal participation. Groupthink. The desire for group harmony could lead to students suppressing dissenting opinions or avoiding critical analysis. The next is unequal participation. Dominant student might overshadow quieter or less confident members, hindering their learning experience. The next is difficulty in assessing individual contribution. It can be challenging to accurately assess each student's individual understanding and contribution to the group success. The next is time consuming. Implementing STL effectively often requires more time than traditional teaching method. The next is dependent on group dynamic. A dysfunctional group dynamic, etc., personality clashes, lack of cooperation can negatively impact the learning experience. Okay, the next I want to tell about sample activity using the STL model. Applying at the marker theme for professor contact. Let's adapt the at the market theme from the previous conversation to an STL activity. The first is activity title Market Master. Subject English. Objective student will practice using conversational English and market related vocabulary while working collaboratively to achieve a shared goal. Materials, we can give the picture of flashcard of fruit, vegetable, and other market item. Play money, price tag, worksheet with sentence, theme, and vocabulary list. The procedure is the first, team formation. Divide the class into small group of 5 until 6 students. The second is role assignment. Within each group, assign roles such as shopkeeper, customer 1, customer 2, translator. The next is recorder. The third is market stop. Each group set up a market stall using the picture, price tag, and play money. The fourth is conversation practice. The customer take turn visiting other group stalls and engaging in conversation with the shopkeeper. They use the sentence, theme, and vocabulary list as a guide. Example, sentence theme is, "Hello, how much is the apple? Can I have 3 please? Is there any discount?" This is the example. The fifth is peer teaching and support. The translator helps the customer and shopkeeper with the vocabulary and sentence construction as needed. All team members encourage and support each other. The sixth is assessment. The group performance. Each group is assessed on their ability to create a realistic market stall and engage in meaningful conversation. The recorder notes the group's strength and weakness. The second is individual contribution. Observe individual student participation and engage within their group. Consider using a checklist or rubric to assess specific skill. You can also ask each student to write a reflection on their contribution to the team. The seventh, debriefing. After the activity, each group share their experiences and insight with the class, discuss the challenges and they faced and the strategy they use to overcome them. The next explanation how this activity used in the STL model. The first is group success. The success of each group depends on the active participation and understanding of all its members. If one student struggles, the others are not responsible for providing support and assistance. The second is interdependence. The roles are designed to be interdependent. The customer needs the shopkeepers to practice their conversation skill, and the shopkeeper needs the customer to create a realistic market environment. The third is individual accountability. While the focus is on a group success, individual students are held accountable for their contribution through observation, checklists, and reflection activities. The last is equal opportunities. The role rotates throughout the activity to ensure that all students have the opportunity to practice different skills and contribute to the group success. This activity allows students to learn from each other, practice their English skill in fun and engaging way, and develop important teamwork skill. The teacher acts a facilitator providing guidance and support needed. Okay, maybe just this from me and let's see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.